Lovely learners, so welcome to my class. In this video, we are going to be solving A-level question on nuclear physics. It says, alpha particles, each with a kinetic energy of 5.59 mega electron volts, are fired at a thin fan made of gold atoms. Some of the alpha particles are scattered through an angle of 180 degrees. Estimate the radius of a gold nucleus from this information. When you see a question like this, the first thing you have to do is to bring out the parameters given. So we have the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of 5.59 mega electron volts are fired at a thin foil made of gold atoms. So gold atoms with mass number of 197 and atomic number of 79 is given. Some of the alpha particles are scattered through an angle of 180 degrees. When alpha particles are scattered through angle 180 degrees, it comes to a momentary stop, whereby the kinetic energy will be converted to electrostatic potential energy. So therefore, the kinetic energy will be converted to electrostatic potential energy. So it shows that the kinetic energy will be equivalent to electrostatic potential energy. So electrostatic potential energy equal to K multiplied by Q1, Q2 divided by radius. So since the kinetic energy is equal to electrostatic potential energy, so we can say that kinetic energy equal to K multiplied by Q1, Q2, then divided by radius. Now we are looking for the what? The radius of gold atom or the gold nucleus. We are looking for the radius of gold nucleus. Then what is K? K is Coulomb constant. So it's a constant value which is equivalent to 8.99 times 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square then per Coulomb square. So this is a constant value that you have to know. Then what is Q1, Q2? Q1 is the charge of alpha particle. Q1 is the charge of alpha particle. So Q1 equal to, then don't forget that alpha particle is represented by helium nucleus. Alpha particle is represented by helium nucleus. Then helium has what? The mass number of 4 and the atomic number of 2. Then the nucleus of helium consists of protons and neutrons. It consists of protons and neutrons. Then what is the number of proton? The number of proton equal to 2 because the number of proton is equivalent to the atomic number. Then what is the number of neutron? What is the number of neutron? Neutron will be equal to 4 minus 2. That is the mass number minus the atomic number or the number of proton. So 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Now we are going to add some of the particles in the nucleus together. Then don't forget that proton is 2. So that will be proton multiplied by the elementary charge. Proton multiplied by the elementary charge, then plus what of neutron? Neutron is 2. Then we should not forget that neutron is what? Is neutral. Neutron is neutral. So it will be equal to 0. So 2e plus 2 times 0 will give us 0. So 0 plus 2 will give us 2 electron. So that will be, so the alpha particle charge, the charge of alpha particle equal to 2e. So let's consider gold nucleus. Let's consider gold nucleus. So we have 197, then 79. Then the proton, the number of proton equal to 79. That is, the number of proton is equivalent to atomic number. Then the number of neutron, will be 197 minus 79. So whatever we get, we are still going to multiply by 0 because neutron is what? Neutron is neutral. So 0 multiplied by the number of neutron will give us 0. So therefore, Therefore, so we multiply this proton by what? By elementary charge, by E. 79 times E will give us what? 79 E. So the number of neutron equal to 197 minus 79 will give us what? 197 minus 79. 197 minus 79 will give us 118. It will give us 118. Neutron is 118. Then we should not forget that neutron is what? Is neutral. So that will be multiplied by 0. So 118 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. So now we add it to the number of proton. 0 plus 79, it will give us 79. So therefore, charge Q2 will be the charge of what? Of gold nucleus. The charge of gold nucleus, which is equal to 79 E. So let's proceed.